And I'm joined now via satellite. Our guest is Dr. Nick Delgado with the Health Wellness Solutions Incorporated, and he's joined by Mr. Bill Dower. Nick, good to see you again.
It's great to be here.
Well, now, Bill, of course, we had a chance to meet you on last week's program, and you've been, a patient of Dr. Delgado's. Tell us your story.
Yes, I've experienced a lot of favorable conditions that I've had has become favorable. My blood pressure has been normalized, and rather than up the volume of my blood pressure medicine, I neglected not to do that. And with this program here, with this super food, it's taking the place of medicine.
Well, Nick, of course, Bill's success story is one of many that you've shared with me. Tell us again and our audience exactly what the Delgado protocol is all about.
Well, it's probably best example is Bill Dower, who was the subject of The Officer and a Gentleman, played by Lou Gossett. I mean, he served our country. He's a war hero. He's a living legend now, age, if I may, well, let's just say the 7th decade. And basically, Bill has been following our protocol, the nutrition, the exercise, the power of the mind, the supplements, learning about how to replace and augment natural hormones, and more importantly, the revolutionary development of being able to extract stem cells from your own body fat. In fact, Don, we can get over 100 times more stem cells from your body fat than we can from bone marrow, which used to be the accepted standard procedure to obtain for leukemia patients, and over 1,000 times more stem cells than from peripheral blood, which makes it the premier, simplest, easiest, most effective treatment, not only for joint issues and problems, but it may prove to be beneficial to several other chronic conditions, post-heart attack, diabetic, and other organ dysfunctions.
Well, Bill, of course, when people talk about stem cells, they automatically think of the controversy involved in embryonic stem cells. We aren't talking about that at all, are we?
Not at all. In fact, these are autologous, meaning from your own body, so they can't be rejected. They have your own genetic code. We put them through a high-tech process, and this process is patented, developed at the universities, and basically it goes through several passes in a 200-micron filter, and we isolate it with certain enzymes, and we can get the actual purified mesenchymal stem cells, which if you look up the literature and do a simple scholar.google search and look at Delgado protocol.com, you'll find out that this is a revolution. It's like going from the fax machine to the internet. This is the discovery that we're now treating people because it's a cosmetic procedure. We're moving fat from one area, a little lipo, a local anesthetic, and just moving it to another area if your doctor chooses, your joints or wherever it is ailing, and we're seeing the results. Basically, look at nickphd.com and it tells the whole story.
Once again, the Delgado protocol, and your internet address for that is nickphd.com. Gentlemen, thank you so much.